All right, here goes the last one, number 6. How many moles of MgO are formed when 20 grams of magnesium is reacted with 10 grams of oxygen? Okay, so to use the BCA table, remember we need to put it into moles, and neither of these are in moles. Okay, so magnesium, if I look on the periodic table, is 24.31 grams in a mole. Okay, so 20 divided by 24.31.82 moles of magnesium, and 1 mole of oxygen is 32 grams of oxygen. 0.31 moles of oxygen. Okay, so everything's in moles. We're ready to use the BCA, so let's go ahead and balance this. So it should be a super easy one, hopefully, for you to balance. All right, and let's go ahead and fill in what we know. So I start with 0.82 of this, 0.31 of this, and nothing in the product category. Okay, all right, now I need to make a determination to what the limiting reactant is going to be. All right, so I see here in my ratios, 1 mole of oxygen takes double the amount of magnesium. Okay, so if I start with 0.31 of oxygen, if I double that to 0.62, I have plenty of magnesium, way extra than I need. So I know that one's going to be the excess reactant. All right, so I know my oxygen is going to get used up first, so that becomes my limiting reactant. All right, everything else, I should probably put in the 0, don't be lazy. Okay. All right, my given is going to go on the bottom. This is a really nice and easy one because I can see I need double of everything else. So that's going to lose 0.62. This is going to gain 0.62. Okay, 0.82 minus 0.62 is 0.2 left over. Okay, type of reaction. This is a synthesis. All right, 2 things coming together to make something more complex. All right, I'm going to start with 0.82 moles of magnesium. React with 0.31 moles of oxygen to form 0.62 moles of magnesium oxide, right? No Roman numerals needed because magnesium is always a +2, okay? There are 0.20 moles of magnesium remaining. Okay? All right, so let's see what we actually wanted for the so-called final answer. How many moles of MgO are formed? So guess what? It's your lucky day because we already know that, right? So we don't need to make any other conversions because it's already in moles. So we're done. Okay, if they wanted grams, we would have had to do another step, but nope, we just need moles. So that's it.